Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, in this podcast video,
in this moment,
in this amazing weather. If you can see, this is a special episode of our podcast episode, because you can see there is a snowfall, and we see it outside of the house, but we are already adaptation. So it's cold, but not very cold like the first time we go here, right?
Even Aligarh is more, I think,
even coldest than this Kashmir, right?
Colder.
Yeah. By the way, we are at Kashmir in the Tangmark, near of Gulmarg.
By the way, my name is Muhammad Akram Firashan Hilal,
and I'm also Ahmad Aisi Salman. So in this podcast, we will talk about Islamic in India,
in Kashmir,
moreover.
Okay.
So before we start, for your information, that in India, majority
is Hindu. The religion is Hindu.
So Islam is minority, right?
Yeah, minority, but even it's minority, but it's big. It's big. 200
million. So if you know that China is not the biggest population, right? So the biggest population is India. In India, we have
1.7 billion population.
It's very many people here,
and 1 billion of the population is Hindu.
So that's why in here is majority, and in this Kashmir, it's majority is Muslim. Like 80% of this population in Kashmir is Muslim. So we will easy to get halal food, like chicken, and then meat, buffalo meat. So
even we usually hear azan.
In here we hear azan. It's like in Indonesia.
Yeah, Indonesia.
Because the muazzin is child. He is kids.
Yeah, kids.
So when we hear, it feels like in Indonesia, right?
Yeah. Agree.
and this is
okay. And Kashmir people is more understand English than Aligarh people.
Yeah, because this is how to say that,
tourism place. Yeah, like Bali, like Bali.
So if you it's different with India, right?
Yeah.
In India, maybe he just understand like 10 rupees,
20,
50 rupees, or 100
basic
rupees.
English.
Basic English.
Very basic
but
English.
In Kashmir, in here, he understand even we say like unbasic, unbasic. Like we can speak or talk each other with normally.
Yeah, he's like native speaker.
Yeah, not like native speaker. So in Kashmir, it's very amazing place. If you can see, by the way, in the last year, Kashmir, the snowfall, it must be on November, but Qadarullah, in this year, it's being delayed, right?
Yeah.
So
snowfall is
being
January.
It must be on November last year, but it start snowfall. It's on January. January. So Alhamdulillah, we can visit this place in a snowfall moment, right?
Yeah. Unforgettable moment.
Okay, so
there is a dog.
There is a dog. Yeah, it's normal here. There is a dog, but it's not.
We didn't see cat in here.
We didn't see cat. Even in India, we see cat.
Yeah,
we see cat.
But it's very rare.
But in here, we can't see or we can't found a cat.
Maybe cat is a pet in someone's house. He
will not
wild in here.
Yeah, because by the way, in this how to say Celsius, it's 1 Celsius, right?
Yeah.
So it's very cold here, but we use a proper
equipment.
So we didn't feel like freezing. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And by the way, I wanna give you some story about this resort, right? This resort is very good resort. As you can see, this resort is Muslim, right? So even
the receptionist
are
Muslim.
All Muslim. So it's normal, like Oh my God, it's there is snow in our mic. So we don't need like say hello, good morning. We just can say like assalamualaikum, and that is just a normal normal greetings. But in India we need that.
Yeah.
Because when we say assalamualaikum, and then he just say I'm Hindi. I'm sorry. I'm Hindi. Namaste.
We must stay aware.
Stay aware, right? And there's a beautiful view if you can see, right? In your, if you guys wanna see our activities or this beautiful scenery, you can check Aknat's Instagram.
Yeah, Aknat point IDN.
Okay. And me, Maman point.
No. Aknat point sekolah.
Okay, Aknat point sekolah. And
even I can make a snowball in here.
It's very easy to make snowball here, by the way. Ooh. Just like you grab some snow, a cup of snow.
It's very soft, by the way.
Yeah, it's very soft. It's
fresh snow.
Fresh snow. Because oh my God, this snow is very
it's very unique.
Very unique.
Even my friends say to me, where are you? Why there's snow? It's India.
Why? That's maybe some of our friend.
Yeah,
he doesn't know that there is
4 season in India.
Yeah, 4 season in India, but the snow season is in Kashmir, right? In Kashmir.
Yeah, in Kashmir, in South India.
In South India.
Upper India.
In Aligarh there is no snow,
but it's cold.
Cold, yeah, very cold. Like before we go here, we are already at Aligarh, right? Yeah, Aligarh. For like 1 month and 1 week. Yeah, it's. I feel like unreal, you know. When I woke up at the morning and I saw the view, it's like amazing. So what more? Maybe when I how to say jalan-jalan?
Walking
around in this place, I saw a village that very familiar with how to say in game.
Game?
Yes, you know, like PUBG Mobile.
PUBG Mobile, yeah.
PUBG Mobile. There is a map. The name is
Vikendi.
Now, there is a house. In the top of house there is
snow,
thick snow, and when you saw it, it's very amazing. It's very beautiful because we are Indonesian people. There is no snow season.
Sun all day.
Yeah, sun all day. Even a rain day, maybe even a rain season.
Yeah, rain season.
We sometimes feel hot, right?
We feel sweaty.
Yeah. So in Indonesia there is no heater, but in this home, in one room, there's always a hot blanket.
Hot
blanket is very cozy, man. Yeah, very cozy. Because if you feel freezing, you just it's very cozy, man. And then there is a big heater that if you see in a US home, maybe.
Yeah, US home.
There's a big heater that we can use automatically.
Square.
Yeah, automatically when the
temperature
is very
low,
and it's very crazy because it's cold, right?
Yeah, it's not like India.
Yeah, it's not like India.
Maybe Swiss or Berlin or even country in Europe or USA.
If you see the people around here, we didn't see the Indian part of his body. Right?
He's like bule.
He's like Russian people.
Yeah,
Russian people.
Even the language is different from India.
By the way,
Indian normal
Indian language and this Kashmir language is different, totally different.
Yeah.
If you say maybe like Indian language, he will understand. But we don't understand. We Indian people maybe don't understand what Kashmir people say. It's like Jawa and Sunda, right?
Sunda.
So
Kashmir people are usually using Kashmir language and English.
Yes, right. He sometimes use English and Kashmir language, right? Okay, and then how about your feeling at pray in this place, because in Subuh even our floor is freezing.
Yeah, freezing. It's very cold.
It's
like freezer.
Yeah, your water, your floor, your clothes, maybe
anything in the room.
Anything in your room, it's very cold. So what you're feeling first time you pray here?
So, fortunately, we have hot water in our bathroom.
Yes.
Yeah. So we can do ablution with hot water or warm water.
Yes, you're right.
And I usually pray in my bed because it's
Little bit warm.
yeah, little warm and soft.
And soft.
It's
Because
very comfy.
if you pray in the floor and then you sujud, you will not be focused, right? When you sit, oh my God, it's very freeze.
Yeah.
And then, what's your opinion about the market around this place? Because if you want to walk around,
Sorry.
it's no problem, no problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So this is our
He's the
receptionist.
receptionist.
Yeah. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Yes.
You should visit this place. It's called Gulmarg. It's
Yes.
the northern part of Kashmir.
Yes.
And they are lovely people. So
Yeah.
see the live snow. This
Oh,
is
very
barakah from
amazing.
Allah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
this is
barakallah from
Allah.
Allah.
Thank you.
Thank
Please,
you.
please add
Yes.
this.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
YouTube.
Okay,
Yeah,
I have
YouTube.
YouTube.
I
I
will
will,
upload
I
it on
will take you.
YouTube.
Okay, I will show you. So, he is our receptionist. See, he is very kind,
Very kind and-
very friendly. Even he say that he walk around, he walk in front of the camera, and then he say sorry, and then he say that this is barakah from Allah.
Yeah, barakah from
so
Allah.
that mean is people in Kashmir is very kind.
Yeah,
Right?
this place so unreal. It's like a dream.
Yeah. And then the next question. Maybe it's like last but not least. Please you answer with long answer, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Long statement.
Long statement. Okay. What do you feel when you touch a snow for the first time?
Okay, it's unforgettable moment. We are arrived in 3 a.m. in the
3
morning.
a.m.,
Yeah,
right.
And I just realized there is snow, but it's old snow. Like
Yeah.
it's already melting.
Melting,
Yeah.
and it's dirty, right?
Yeah,
Because
dirty.
it's combined
And,
with
yeah,
dirt.
and I just grabbed the snow, and I throw it to my friends, but that snow, the first snow, it's not soft. It's just like
It's like ice, right?
ice. It's
Hard
like ice block. It's
It's different with this snow.
how to say kasar?
How to say that? It's just say
Yeah,
hard, right?
kasar. Yeah, itulah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, this snow it's fresh snow. It's very soft. It's like cotton.
It's
cotton.
like
cotton.
cotton.
I can eat it. It's
By the way-
it's really like an ice cream.
Yeah, it's like
But
an ice cream.
But it's plain
Yeah,
taste.
it's plain taste. By the way, if you want to eat snow, please careful because
Yeah.
there is a dirty and a clean snow. So, by the way, this snow is hygiene, right?
Yeah, hygiene. It's
Hygiene.
fresh from the sky.
It is fresh from Allah.
From Allah.
From Allah.
We must be grateful.
It's Muslim
Unforgettable.
unforgettable moment.
Unforgettable moment.
Okay, maybe it's already a long video, and I'm sure that it's already long. So without any talk again, let's close
Because
this podcast.
we just getting
freezing. It's like a 15-minute maybe.
Yeah, yeah, my clothes are full of
Yeah,
snow
you
in
can-
here.
Our cloth is. We are being a mountain.
We are Yeti, a big
We are yet a Bigfoot. Okay, so thank you Aknat for do a podcast with me.
Yeah.
Unfortunate moment. This is a
It's
great.
very unique podcast.
It's very special.
Yeah, very
podcast.
special podcast.
We can see the beautiful scenery here, the snowfall, and this soft of snowball. Okay, I
Okay,
think that's all.
all.
Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Yeah.